Welcome to the Painting Yan channel. Thank you so much for taking time out for your busy schedule to improve your painting skills. Have you ever thought about how to draw a white flower? Look at this. I prepare a Lisianthus that feels really clean, soft, and beautiful. But it's all white and there's only a little bit of light green. Then how to draw it? Okay, let's get started right away. For good composition, and I'm going to be choosing this flower, but now this flower has both small buds. So if you draw one of the buds in the back a little bigger, it will be a nice composition, right? Then next flower has different sized buds, so it can be a various composition. However, the height of the object is the same, so it's not fun. So raising one of the buds a little higher can make for a good composition. Okay. The colors we'll be using leaf green, sap green, ultramarine deep, and magenta color. Okay, now let's move on to the sketch. First, draw the cup shape, and then draw the leaf one by one. Draw cup shape. Draw petal one by one. Okay. The tip of the petals should be unevenly drawn like a cargo wheels, and the petals are lifted, some petals are folded, so draw carefully and some in detail. Draw stem here, another small stem for a bud. Here is small bud here, and then another one, draw a little bit bigger than original reference flower. Here, draw a little bit bigger. Draw two small leaves here. Clean the pencil line with the eraser. Let's paint. Apply water on the two buds and touch the tip of the buds with leaf green. This one is the leaf green color, and touch again with dark leaf green, just the tip area. And draw leaf and stem with sap green. Lastly, mix sap green and ultramarine deep color. Add on the small buds area one more time. And blend softly. It's time to move a main flower. As I said at the beginning, white flowers have no choice but to create a flower with shadow colors. so it might be a little easier. Don't you think so? Yeah. Okay. I generally would like to use a bluish color or a purple or a green for the shadows. It's up to you. You can use bluish color or depends on your mind, yellowish color, whatever you can use it for shadow. Today I'm going to use Ultramarine deep and Magenta color for the shadow. So I mixed the sap green and the Ultramarine deep color for the shadow color. It's kind of dark gray, bluish gray color. And one more thing, I already uploaded a video of White Lily last year, so I'll link it down below. Be sure to go and watch it and draw it. It will be pretty helpful to your skill. White flower. I mixed now a little bit of leaf green color, the lower flower area. And then for flower, I used ultramarine deep and magenta color, so a little bit of the bluishy purple color. And then I'm get the greenish color for tip of the flower area, just dotting on there. I'm adding one more time a bluish purple color put on the under leaf highlight area so that it will be shadow. I'm next for leaf. So first with the paper with clean water and then grab some sap green mix ultramarine deep color, put on the leaf area. Draw another small leaf with leaf green and sap green and ultramarine deep color. For the first layer, use a very watery leaf green and then add sap green, and finally add some sap green mix ultramarine deep color. For the flower leaf, I'm always using same technique. Try first very watery color, second little bit of dark color, and then finally very thick and strong color put on the center or the tip of the leaf area. I'm taking a magenta color, put on the leaf and stem, the size of the stem area, because I wanted to try some different color and various color and different size of the stem and leaf color. Finally, adding on the buds with magenta, Watercolor magenta color. I'm trying to some detail flower tip area. So because this flower, this Lisianthus, a white flower, so I can make some depths with the shadow color. So and then finally I'm going to use the splash with purple color. So I'm going to do watery magenta splash for the naturalness of the painting. Okay, today we have painted White Lisianthus for using shadow color. So color we used ultramarine deep and magenta color for shadow. So it's not easy or easy. Okay, we are all done today's painting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a good comment. See you next time. Bye.